Hello Puppet fans! And welcome to this lecture. In this lab we will upload the roles and profile modules to GitHub and will manage the roles through Hira. Now let's upload the roles and profiles to GitHub, create a roles repository and click on Create Repository. Next run git init to initialize the roles module directory and run git add to add all the files from roles modules. Next run git checkout production to switch to production branch and run git remote add to add your roles repo. Make sure to select SSH repo or it will ask for username password every time. Now commit the changes and run git push origin production to upload all the files from your local directory to remote repo. Refresh the page and you will see all the files uploaded to roles repo. Now we have our roles module uploaded to GitHub, so let's follow the same for profile also. So create a profiles repository and click on Create Repository. Next run git init to initialize the profiles module directory and run git add to add all the files from profiles module. Next run git checkout production to switch to production branch and run git remote add to add your profiles repo. Make sure to select SSH repo. Now commit the changes and run git push origin production to upload all the files from your local directory to remote repo. Refresh the page and you will see all the files uploaded to profiles repo. Now we have our profiles module also uploaded to GitHub, so let's put the roles and profiles modules entry into Puppet to get it deployed through Code Manager. So edit the Puppet file and make entry for roles and profiles mod. And commit the changes. Now go to your production branch and check for installed modules. As we don't have the roles and profiles modules yet in production branch, so let's deploy the code. Run Puppet code deploy production wait. Once deploy completed successfully, check for roles and profiles modules. Now we have roles and profiles ready, so let's set the node definition to include roles only. So edit the node.pp file and put the entries. Include roles RHEL7 base_RHEL7 and save the file. Or you can also assign the Web Tomcat role to node 1. As it have both base and Web Tomcat profiles. So if you will select Web Tomcat role, you will get base profile too. So edit the file and replace the base with Web Tomcat and save the configuration. Now it's time to test the changes. So remove the reinstalled Tomcat from node 1 and run Puppet agent T to request for catalog. Puppet run has been completed successfully, so roles and profiles method working successfully. Okay, so we have tested roles and profile method, so if you have got time, feel free to move on to next lecture.